Okay, so we got this situation, and if you'll observe, we have sense of e power x. So can we try to create e power x f of x plus f dash x dx? Okay, so look at this ugly thing. This is x power x. So first try to manipulate x power x, because inside that function there is nothing associated with x power x. So I will be taking z as x power x. Now, you know that whenever we have problem with the power, we used to think about log. So let's take log both side. So this thing will become log x power x, and also we can write it as x log x. You know that if anything is in the power of argument comes at coefficient. Okay, now let's differentiate both side. So we will have 1 by z and then dz by dx, and here we can apply UV rule. So first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. So this thing gone. So can I say that dz by dx equals z times 1 plus log x. Now who is z? Z is x power x 1 plus log x. Okay, dz by dx. Now look at this. Can we create this situation or not? We have log x and we have 2. So can we distribute 2 to make 1? So e power x times x power x times 1 plus 1 plus ln x and then dx. Now let's recreate the situation. E power x times x power x plus x power x times 1 plus ln x dx. Okay, so this is the function and this is its differentiation. So can I say that function is connected with function, differentiation is connected with differentiation? So can we have the final result as e power x f of x plus integration constant c? Therefore, the required result is this. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.